Hello, good morning. Welcome to your Friday early trades here on Kalkine TV. I'm Sage. Thanks for joining us. The S&P ASX 200 is up today on the 1st of July, the first day of the new financial year, gaining 0.52%. The top performing stocks on the ASX were Regis Resources up by 10% and the biotech Mesoblast up by 9.84%. Over the last 5 days, the index has gained 0.35% but is down 11.32% for the last 12 months. 10 of 11 sectors are higher along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Industrials is the best performing sector, gaining 1.33% and 1.35% for the past 5 days. Looking into other top gainers in the opening session on the ASX today, pointsbet is up by 7.83%, imugene is up by 6.94% and Zipco is up by 6.81%. Meanwhile, ASX stocks in the red include Whitehaven Coal, down by 2.89%, BHP Group down as well by 1.64%, Newcrest Mining is down by 1.58%, while Worley's down by 1.37%. And lastly, Woodside Energy is down 1.13% in today's early session. And now let's look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session of the ASX. Building community and RV solutions company Fleetwood has signed a 5-year agreement with Rio Tinto to provide accommodation services at Searipple Village in Karratha. The agreement is expected to generate between $52 million and $70 million in revenue for Fleetwood. Under the contract, Searipple Village is nominated by Rio Tinto's preferred third-party accommodation provider for all fly-in, fly-out Rio Tinto personnel needing accommodation in Karratha, Dampier or Wickham. Shares of Fleetwood were trading 5.79% higher during the opening session. And moving on, Australian property group Ingenia Communities says it expects its financial year results to be at the lower end of the company's guidance range of 5 to 10%. The company said its holiday business and rebounded strongly following forced closures, and its residential communities continued to deliver high occupancy and growing rents. Shares of Ingenia Communities were trading 2.76% during the opening session. And lastly, buy now, pay later company, a sector that has been in the spotlight, openpay has decided to pause its existing US operations indefinitely, meaning its US workforce will be materially reduced. The company attributed the decision to the current macroeconomic and public market conditions. And meanwhile, openpay has appointed investment bank Keefe, Bruyette and Woods to assist with the search for potential investors for the company's US operations. Shares of openpay were trading 16.67% higher during the opening session. And now on to some economic shifts happening around the world. Oil marked its first monthly decline since November as the Organisation of Petroleum Exporting Countries Plus, or OPEC Plus for short, resumed output it had halted during the pandemic. West Texas Intermediate dropped below $106 a barrel on Thursday, posting a monthly decline of 7.8%. OPEC Plus rubber-stamped an increase in supply for August, but focus is turning to how much those members with spare production capacity will produce once the current agreement ends. Thank you for your company. Hope the day in trading's going well so far. That's all for now in the early trades. Do stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you, sharing live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. Sage signing off for now.